Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 12, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 12, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, July 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 12, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, July 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 12, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.